myself, Mohammed Mister, and I'm currently leading three startups. One is Maori Ventures, and another is Sign Marketplace. If possible, I'll present both ideas. Maori Ventures is basically investment company. We are not here to invest, but we are providing the mentorship, guidance, trainings, and expertise business support to the startups in Nepal. So our main goal is to build a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem in Nepal because there are a lot of players or organizations working in this sector, but they have their own objectives. So we want to build an entire robust entrepreneurial ecosystem so that the investors will come there, ideators will come there, mentors will be there, professional experts will be there, and we will provide the marketplace there itself. So for that we have assigned a marketplace. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, so we are trying to build this ecosystem by collaborating with innovators, investors, ideators, and build a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem in Nepal. So our vision is to be a pioneer investment company in Nepal, playing the central role in this ecosystem for growth and maximizing value for the investors. So along with drive innovation, create jobs, opportunities, and contribute to the sustainable economical development in Nepal. So our mission is to unlock those potentials of the entrepreneurs by providing the tailored investment solution, expertise, guidance, mentorship, marketplace, everything in one place. So our though we are the investment company, we are not the venture capitalist, by the way. Our name is venture, but we are not the venture capitalist like others, like Ajanta Fund or some other organizations. Basically, we are trying to create the social impact in the nation by supporting the enterprise. So our key strategic objectives is to build a portfolio expansion. Though we are saying that we are creating the social impact, but we will be focusing on revenue generation because if we don't generate the revenue ourselves, then how can we help to generate revenue for other startups? So likewise, our main core value is creating social impact, but ultimately we need to drive the revenue within us and within our networks, our organizations and startups. So entrepreneur support, we enhance the mentorship. We have some tailored program, some crash course and some Maori graduates program that will come later on. So diversify the income streams through training programs, investment returns, operational excellence, and the impact measures. So currently, what we have been doing, we are collaborating with different organizations, different startups, different venture capitalists to build a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem in Nepal. So all the players, we are trying to connect. We are trying to connect with Ajanta also. I have messaged the chairperson, but I haven't got his time still. Maybe hopefully now I can get time. So we have a collaboration with the Postam. It is a content monetizing platform in Nepal. They monetize the content. So it starts from ₹50 to 50,000 rupees per content in the platform. They have tied up with different business organizations and they have run the College Explore program. They are training the students for the content creation. They train the content creation and for the business houses, they provide the content from the users. So currently they have 80,000 users in the platform. And this company is based on Dubai. They are trying to explore the Australian market too. We have recently tied up with Kusum Entrepreneurship Club and we have run a 2-day program there recently. Similarly, we have we have tied up with the KMC Innovation Lab recently. There, we are running a program there in July 16. You can join that program also. That is structured as a product showcase. There will be a panel discussion and there will be a startup idea pitching. If you have some innovative ideas, then you can pitch your ideas there and connect with the investors or your build connections for teamwork. Likewise, and every month we have a different theme. So for this month we have a theme sustainable business for future. So maybe next month we'll have AI and data. Likewise. And we are also doing this meetup, coffee meetup at different cafes. We sit at different cafes where entrepreneurs, coffee enthusiasts, or others, just students, investors may join in that. That is an open platform. Sorry. Okay, so our strategic planning process is basically, first of all, within our team members, we develop a concept note, and then there is a core strategy development team. They go through the process, they go through the brainstorming process, and we share that idea, pitch it to our shareholders and board members first, and then we pitch that ideas to other external investors. So these are our few activities and projects we are doing currently. So we have been doing the startup idea pitching. So we have been running this pitching session at Embark College, Pulchar. So we will be doing at different colleges, and we have some program for the students at a competition for the students, where we will be providing them theme problems of the business organization, entrepreneurs, and they will be coming up with creative ideas, and they will be pitching their ideas, and we will showcase that idea in the national media, like the Shark Tank, but it's not a Shark Tank, by the way. So our investment activities, we are targeting at least 4-5 potential startups to invest this fiscal year. Yeah, we have some, and this is our one project. It's a EQ Bots Cafe. The EQ means entrepreneurship, empowerment, and employment. So by this, this is a open platform like a cafe where the ideators can work there. They can meet with investors. They can meet with mentors, industry experts in that cafe. So by the bots, we are trying to say that the Maori have started to create bots in the market. Okay. And we have these dedicated programs. One is entrepreneur crash course that will be giving to the college students at for management, IT, or etc. And this will annually we'll be doing 12 courses at least. Recently we are starting this at KMC College, and then we'll be gradually implementing at the different colleges. And then another is a Maori graduate program. So we are trying to build the commercial Maori in Nepal. So there are a lot of people like spiders creating a wave and just waiting for someone to come. So we want to create a commercial Maori like that. So for this, yeah, so we are approaching with government agencies, donors, corporate for sponsorships, and CSR, INGOs and NGOs, colleges and schools to form this program. We have already submitted few proposals to municipalities, also to the few banks, and also few colleges, and also few INGOs. We are still in the discussion. And this is our few services for our tailored mentorship program. So few mentorship sessions we will be providing for free, but we cannot do everything for free. So there are different fee structures that I haven't put it in this presentation. We have a catalog for that, and the services or features benefits they will be getting. And for the investment that they will get by our connections, we'll be charging like this is our fee structure. If they will be able to get 5 lakhs rupees, then we'll be getting 7% as our fee, or likewise. And the focus will be business strategy refinement, operational optimization, financial management, market expansion, and so on. So revenue will be provided by the startups themselves, and the donations is sponsorships. So if someone want to, yeah, I'm almost finished, so I don't want to go this. So financial overview 25-26, these are our cost projections. Yeah, and these are our revenue targets for the next fiscal year. Yeah, so this is not so important, I think. And this is our marketing strategies, services, and these are our KPIs indicators for investment metrics. How many startups we have invested, connected to the VCs, portfolio company growth rates, Entrepreneur support matrix, how many we have trained. Likewise, the financial metrics, revenue growth, expense ratio, social impact, jobs created, women-led enterprise supported by us, and likewise, and these are some risk management. So I want to go on to this slide. So currently we have moved into the version 2.0. We have started this. We are running in third year now, and we have initiated our collaborations, team building phase, limited resources, though so that we have less revenue at the moment. Satisfactory outreach, people are being aware of Maori Ventures. And after 1 year, we'll be seeing significant revenue growth, strong collaboration, strong brand and market presence, strong team of professionals, collaboration with PCs, strong presence in entrepreneurial ecosystem. This is what the Maori Ventures will be after 10 years. There will be Maori Bank, Maori Agro, Maori Hydropower, Maori Import and Export, Maori Remit, and so on. Thank you, everyone.